It's nice to know that any day you wish, you can change your whole life, is a quote by Jim Rohn that I both love and hate. Yes, we as humans have the potential to shift our mindset and alter our life trajectory. All you have to do is decide. Decide that the pain of staying the same finally outweighs the fear of changing. But this idea that we can choose to change our lives at any moment can also be so damaging. It gives people the excuse to put things off so easily. Oh, this week was tiring. I'll change next week. Oh, maybe when I'm more prepared, then I'll start chasing my dreams. No, none of that. You need to start now. I don't care what it is. Friends, fame, money, career. If you wanted it bad enough, you would make the time for it. And you know this. You don't need me to tell you that. But I think sometimes we forget the loss of time and the excuses. They come so naturally we don't even notice. And before you know it, instead of a year of chasing our dreams, a year of nothing goes by, and you look back with self-hate and excuses. But this year will be different. Why? Here's what you're gonna do. After this video, I need you to put down everything and go get a piece of paper. And I don't care if you're in bed. You clicked on this video for a reason. And remember, if you change nothing, nothing will change. You will be the exact same person after watching this video if you don't take action right now. So go get the damn paper. At the top, write down a goal or dream you want to achieve. It could be grades, physique, art, whatever. Then write down an action step that will take you one step closer to hitting that goal. You probably already know what to do, but have just been avoiding it. Reflect on that. Identify it. What is the barrier that is holding you back? Is it analysis paralysis? The people around you? School? If you want to change, you need to acknowledge that barrier and find a way to work around it. Then, start setting aside just 15 minutes a day towards doing that action step. And if you fail, that's okay. Failure is how you improve, so just go for it. 15 minutes, and slowly but surely, you will start to reach the goals that you set out to do. You will get what you desire, and you will live the life you want. All you need to do is take action.